Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Steam account name. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Steam interface where you can see your game library and various features. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your current username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can see your gaming activity, achievements, and other account details. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel of the screen. You'll notice an option labeled Edit Profile. Click on this button to access your profile customization settings. This is where you can modify various aspects of your Steam identity, including your display name, avatar, and other public information. After clicking Edit Profile, you'll be taken to a page with multiple fields and options for personalizing your profile. Look for the field labeled Profile Name near the top of the editing interface. This is the field that contains your current Steam display name that others see when they interact with you on the platform. Click inside this field to select it, then delete your existing name completely. Once the field is clear, type in your new desired name. This is the name that will appear to your friends and other Steam users, so choose something you're comfortable with and that represents how you want to be identified in the Steam community. After you've entered your new name, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Save button. Click on this button to apply your changes. Give it a moment to process and save your new profile name. The system will update your information across the Steam platform, and your new name will now be visible to everyone in your friends list and the broader Steam community. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Steam account name, giving your profile a fresh identity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.